What's up, everybody? It's Olympia D, and welcome to In the House. Look, we're always talking about becoming a homeowner, right? Well, you know that there's some programs that can actually help you on your journey to becoming a homeowner. One thing that I want to, kind of let you guys know about is the USDA program. Have you ever heard about it? Well, you already know. I got Bliss Green here with me from Prime Lending to tell us a little bit more about it. Bliss, where are you, Miss Lady?
Hello, everyone. How are you?
So Bliss, you and I, we always are talking about USDA as an opportunity for people to become a homeowner and kind of shave off some of those the money that it will take to be to pay towards your down payment, and also kind of help out with some of those closing costs as well. Because when you layer it with some other things, talk to people about it. What is the USDA program?
So the United States Department of Agriculture is what it stands for, USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. So this, think farms, right? And rural housing is what it's called. So when you start to move further out of metropolitan areas, I like to refer to it as no city streetlights.
Mm-hmm. But if we just say to the country, you're moving out to the
country. country living. That's not always the case. Sometimes you'll be pleasantly surprised that you can find USDA eligible homes further towards the city, but it is rural housing. So the more rural you get, this is where this program is prevalent, right? This is where it's a priority. Most people are very familiar with it, and this is the way they expect to finance. It's 100% financing. And what that means to you as a buyer is that if the house costs $100,000 and you qualify for a $100,000 loan, that we're going to loan you $100,000 and you're only responsible for paying the closing costs, which on average will be somewhere between 4 to 4.5%, right? Or 4.5%, depending on your loan amount, because that does vary on the size of the loan. So it's 100% financing. It's got a nice government coupon, means that the interest rates are reasonable for FHA, VA, and USDA. And it has a lower mortgage insurance premium on it. So the one-time fee is charged and financed in the loan, and then the monthly mortgage insurance premium is almost about half what FHA is. So from the cost perspective, long term, it is affordable. And they do this because one of the contingencies of qualifying for a USDA loan is household income. So they want to make sure that you are somewhere within close to 80% area median income, depending on how many members you have in your household, right? So they do have a sliding scale for that. But they want to make sure that they are helping people who don't make as much money be able to get access to home ownership.
Now, go ahead. I'm sorry, Bliss.
I'll also add this. Out of all the loan programs that are out there, the one thing that makes each loan product different, conventional versus FHA versus VA versus USDA, is who's insuring that mortgage. In this loan program, the U.S. Department of Agriculture is insuring the mortgage. And for this particular loan program, they are the only insurer that will actually lend money direct. So if you are less than 60% area median income, right, then you could actually go to the USDA and ask them directly to borrow money. And they can do some really unique things. So if you're really in a really rural area and you are in less than 60% of area median income, going direct to the USDA may be an option for you because they can stretch out the term to like 40 years. They can figure out a way to make it work for you, even though your income is not as high as the average home buyer would be. So I just want to I cannot do that. That's a direct program. Most USDA lenders, we offer the standard USDA loan program, which is a 30-year, 100% program. I'm happy to do that for you. We can determine if you qualify. And your property has to qualify. You can't just buy any home. The property has to be eligible. Yes. So thank you for letting me share that.
Qualify for that. Yeah, definitely. Now talk to us about the requirements as far as the credit scores and all of that good stuff.
All 100% loan options including down payment assistance programs, typically follow these guidelines of USDA, right? So most of them, not all of them, but most of them want 640. That's going to vary from lender to lender that you go to, but 640 on average is what you have to have. So that's 2 out of 3 scores over a 640. And then they limit your ability to qualify by limiting the debt to income ratio to 43%, preferably 41%, but 41 to 43%. So that means that whatever your monthly income is, your entire budget of the new house, plus all of your current debt obligations monthly, your car, your student loans, your credit cards, everything you currently owe on a monthly basis, plus the new house, has to be less than 43% of your income.
Mm-hmm. And you know, Bliss, we talked about the down payment assistance programs previously. Are we able to use those down payment assistance in conjunction with the USDA?
Yes, you can. USDA will actually let you go above 100% combined loan to value. And when we say loan to value, we're saying how much money is being borrowed here versus the value of the house. Mm-hmm. So if the house costs $100,000, you qualify for $100,000, and we're loaning you $100,000, that's 100% loan to value. Okay. Mm-hmm. If you use a down payment assistance program on top of that, it technically is a loan too. Mm-hmm. It might be a silent loan that doesn't require repayment, but it is still a loan. And then now that takes the combined loan to value over 100%. So USDA is one of the few programs that will let you go up to 105.
Awesome. That's some really good stuff. So if you are looking to perhaps use a USDA program, just give us a call. Bliss, let them know how they can reach you.
Please connect with me on social media. My brand is Lending Bliss. So at Lending Bliss, hashtag Lending Bliss, hashtag Close with Bliss. And you can reach me by phone at 704-241-5135, 704-241-5135. And thank you so much.
Definitely. So as a lender and also as a realtor myself, we want to make sure that we put you in the best position possible to help you along with your journey of becoming a homeowner. So if you have any questions, if you're looking to get started, please don't hesitate. Give me a call, Olympia D, 864-201-2571. You can also follow me on all the social media channels at The Olympia D Show, okay? Until next time, for another edition of In the House, make sure you keep it locked right here. And don't forget, you can also catch me on 105.3 R&B, 10 a.m. until 3 p.m., Monday through Saturday, okay? I'll see you guys later on another edition of In the House, Olympia D. Bye.